7 Most Romantic Hotels in the U.S. Number 7. The Greenwich Hotel, New York. The Greenwich Hotel is situated in the center of the busy Tribeca neighborhood, yet once inside one of the 88 luxurious rooms or suites. Each is lavishly furnished with hand-loomed Tibetan silk rugs, Moroccan bathroom tiles, and English leather settees, and is adorned with a distinct personality. Spend lavishly on the fireside corner suite with amenities fit for a star, such as a working fireplace, king-sized bed, separate sitting area, and walk-in rain shower. Number 6. The Chandler at Cliff Walk, Newport. This 19th-century marvel, a former home transformed into 20 nicely appointed hotel rooms, is tucked away among Newport's Gilded Age manors. Each is distinctive and evokes a specific era in history or style. The Williamsburg room's colonial floral designs in red, white, and blue are in the post-revolutionary American style. There is plenty of romance at the hotel's restaurant, Cara, as well as around the fire pits on the large beachfront lawn where you can unwind with a drink in hand as the sun sets. Number 5. The Kehoe House, Savannah. A wonderfully renovated 1892 Renaissance Revival mansion houses an opulent bed and breakfast. It has 13 utterly lovely guest rooms decorated with stylish antiques and sophisticated textiles. Couples can add extras like chilled champagne and a tray of chocolate-covered strawberries to the lengthy list of niceties that are already included. Number 4. The Restoration Charleston. For a couple hoping to ignite a little romance, this lovely boutique hotel and spa in downtown Charleston is really heavenly. Many of the other guests at the hotel were celebrating honeymoons and anniversaries when we were there, and the excellent staff seemed to know exactly how to maintain that loving atmosphere. The Restoration is ideally situated for visiting Charleston. We heartily suggest a date at Fig or a meal of 167 raw oysters. Number 3. The Setta Miami. At this opulent hotel, the atmosphere is breezy by day and seductive at night. The foyer of the Setta Hotel, which was constructed using bricks salvaged from deteriorating Art Deco structures in Shanghai's Old City, flawlessly combines the old with the new. It has 3 heated pools and 125 suites, one of which is flanked by a 90-foot bar. This hotel is all about relaxing in a chaise lounge while sipping Asian-inspired cocktails and admiring the Atlantic. Number 2. Auberge du Soleil, Rutherford. With infinity-edge soaking pools overlooking the vineyards, the 5-star Auberge du Soleil is tucked away on a 33-acre olive grove in the heart of California's premier wine region. Each of the 51 and 2-bedroom apartments includes an own patio, extra-large soaking tub, and wood-burning fireplace. Enjoy spa treatments that include mud, minerals, olive oil, grapes, and fresh herbs in a setting that is peppered with 110 pieces by California artists. Number 1. Four Seasons Resort, Lanai. A former pineapple farm, the gorgeous cliffside property offers a lot of guest rooms and suites. Couples will enjoy relaxing on the quiet beach with a Mai Tai in hand. Exciting activities like a sunset cruise down the coast or a romantic dinner for 2 at a secluded table overlooking Hulupoe Bay. Thanks for watching. For even more information about each property mentioned in this video, check out the video description below to find links to each one of the properties. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.